Hello friends, how are you? So I hope you all are fit and fine. Guys, stay at home, stay safe. That is the most important thing right now. Okay, uh, I've been getting a lot of queries. One thing regarding the May exams that have been postponed now, right? And indefinite postponement hai, that is we don't know the date ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन, द फ्यूचर डेट ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन. तो बहुत सारे बच्चे पूछ रहे हैं कि सर कब होंगे एग्जाम्स. देखो भाई, मुझे नहीं पता कब होंगे, राइट? किसी को भी नहीं पता कि अभी जो हालात हैं कंट्री में, द सिचुएशन, व्हेन द सिचुएशन इज गोइंग टू बी गोइंग टू इम्प्रूव, राइट? और जब तक सिचुएशन इम्प्रूव नहीं होगी तब तक एग्जाम्स नहीं हो पाएंगे, राइट? सो लेट्स सी, लेट्स होप फॉर द बेस्ट कि जो सिचुएशन है, जो ये कोविड की सेकेंड वेव है, वो बहुत जल्दी से ठीक हो, राइट? जो केसेस हैं इस टाइम बहुत ज़्यादा हैं, नियरिंग 4 लाख केसेस हैं, दैट इज़ टू मच. तो इसी कारण से अभी कुछ भी कहना पॉसिबल नहीं है कि कब होगा, कैसे होगा, क्या होगा. द ओनली थिंग इज दैट यू शुड कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन योर स्टडीज, ट्राई टू कवर दोज टॉपिक्स विच यू हैव लेफ्ट अर्लियर, राइट? नाउ दैट यू हैव गॉट एन एक्स्ट्रा टाइम, दिस इज द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू कवर ईच एंड एवरी टॉपिक दैट यू हैव लेफ्ट इट, राइट? तो स्टार्ट विद दोज टॉपिक्स first. That is the most important thing. Secondly, lot of people are saying about the English batch. Guys, we are starting very soon with the English batch, restarting very soon with the English batch on YouTube. Okay. Thirdly, about the SM series of costing and FM, the study material question discussion series of costing and SM, that is currently available in Hindi only. Lot of people are saying now that sir, the exams are postponed, please provide in English. I will try, but I can't be sure of that, right? I will notify you people whenever the recordings are available in English also, right? I will definitely try, because a lot of people are there who say that sir, please record in English. We also want to take the benefit of that course, right? That is one of the best course, one of the most beneficial courses from the examination point of view. ओके, सो जिन्होंने नहीं किया था, जो हिंदी समझ पा रहे हैं, जिनको हिंदी में कंफर्टेबल है, दे कैन ज्वाइन द कोर्स फ्रॉम आवर मोबाइल ऐप. द लिंक इज गिवन इन द वीडियो डिस्क्रिप्शन. ऑफ कॉस्टिंग एंड FM, बोथ, फॉर बोथ ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट्स द कोर्स इज अवेलेबल, राइट? राइट. So let's continue with the RTP discussion. So we are moving on to question number 7 on job costing. Very simple question, sir. SM Motors Limited is a manufacturer of auto components. The following are the details of the expenses for the year 2019-20. Opening stock of material is given, closing stock of material is given, purchase of material, direct labor, factory overheads and administration overheads. Now he says during the financial year 2021. Now if he is giving the information for 2021, that means this 1920 is your previous year. Okay, this data is the actual data for previous year. This is the actual data. This is your actual data for previous year. Correct? Right, sir? Now he says during the financial year 2020-21, the company has received an order from a car manufacturer where it estimates that cost of material and labor will be 80 lakh and 40 lakh 50,000. Right, sir? The company charges factory overheads as a percentage of direct labor and administration overheads as a percentage of factory cost based on previous year's cost. Now, what is the previous year for 2021? 1920. For the 1920, this data is given. He says the factory overheads are recovered as a percentage of direct labor. That means these factory overheads are certain percentage of this direct labor, and administration as a percentage of factory cost. Now be careful, here it is given factory cost, not factory overheads, right? So you know how to calculate this factory cost. First you will calculate prime cost, right? Prime cost plus factory overheads will give you factory cost, isn't it? So administration overheads are absorbed as a percentage of factory cost, not factory overheads. Clear? So you need to be very much careful with this thing. Based on previous year cost. Now previous year data becomes our budgeted data for the next year. Clear? He says the cost of delivery to of components at the customer premises is estimated at 4,50,000. You are required to calculate overhead recovery rates based on actual cost of 1920. That means you have to calculate the overhead recovery of what? Firstly, two overheads are there, right? Two overheads are there. One is factory overhead. One is factory overhead. Other one is administration overheads, right? Now this factory overheads is recovered on the basis of direct labor, right? So that means the formula for recovery will be factory overheads. How you calculate the recovery of overheads? Divided by direct labor cost multiplied by 100, isn't it? This is how you will calculate the recovery of factory overheads. Regarding the administration overheads he says are dependent upon factory cost, right? Factory cost. Now how to calculate this factory cost, this recovery? Admin overheads divided by factory cost multiplied by 100, right? Now this factory cost is not directly given to you. This factory overheads, direct labor, it is directly given to you in the question. So you can calculate the recovery rate, no issues in that. But in case of administration overheads, the factory cost is not given to you, but you have to calculate the factory cost. What you have to do is you have to prepare a small cost sheet for 2019-20 first, right? From where you will get the value of factory cost. Let's see. Factory overhead recovery rate is equal to factory overheads in 1920 divided by direct labor cost in 1920 multiplied by 100. No issues in that. 30 lakh 80,000 divided by 90/50 into 100, 34% of direct labor. Clear? Second thing, administration overheads. Administration overheads of 1920 given to you. Factory cost of 1920, it is not directly given in the question, but it is to be calculated as a working note. Now, working note says the calculation of factory cost for 1920. That means he is preparing a cost sheet, right? We can say a specimen cost sheet. Opening stock of material is there, add purchases less closing stock will give you material consumed, because in the cost sheet what we take is material consumed, right sir? Direct labor is given to you, prime cost plus factory overheads will give you the factory cost. Now this factory cost is used here to calculate the overhead recovery. Simple. Now the second part of the question says, one second guys. Second part of the question says that prepare job cost sheet for the order received and the price to be quoted if the desired profit is 25% on sales. Be careful. Here you are given the sales or you are given cost. So you need to be very, very careful with this thing, because this is one area where you are expected to commit a mistake, right? If it is given 25% on the sales, you will say you will calculate the total cost at 25% profit and this is the selling price, which will be absolutely wrong. He says 25% on sales. So you need to calculate it on the cost, and I have told you many a times that how to calculate it on the cost. Clear? Any doubts? No, sir. So what he is asking for is, he is asking to prepare a job cost sheet for this particular job which is received from this car manufacturer, in which the material cost is 80 lakh, labor cost is 40 lakh 50,000. What is the other cost, sir? Factory overheads, sir, administration overheads, sir, selling and distribution overheads of 4 lakh 50,000 are given to you, right? So material cost, this is given, labor given, factory overheads. Now you have calculated the recovery rate. That is 34% of direct labor, right? This is the purpose of calculating. Factory overhead 34% of 40 lakh 50,000 factory cost. Then administration overheads, you have calculated the recovery rate 6.91% of factory cost. Any doubt? So 6.91% of 1 crore 34 lakh 27,000, right? So cost of delivery is given to you in the question. This is given. So total cost, add profit 25% on sales, or we can say 33.33% of cost. So you need to be very careful here, right? 49,34,935. So this is the selling price or the value to be quoted. A very simple question, just a few things that you need to remember, that you need to be very careful while attempting the question. What are the two things, sir? One, The recovery of administration overheads is based on factory cost and not factory overheads. So you need to differentiate between these two things, right? Factory cost is a sum total of prime cost and factory overheads. One thing that you need to be careful about, right? Second thing that you need to be careful about is what this profit part, 25% on sales or cost, right? So in the examination, it might be given that 25% on cost. How to calculate it, sir? I have told multiple times still. Okay, if you want to listen to it very carefully. Say my selling price is 100 rupees, right? What is my profit then? What is my profit? Profit is given as 25% of the selling price. That means the profit is 25 rupees, right? 25% of 100. Any doubt? So what is my cost in this case? What is my cost? My cost is 75 rupees. Any doubt? Right? Now if I want to calculate the profit percentage on cost, profit as profit percentage on cost, not on selling price, on cost. What is my profit? 25 rupees. What is my cost? 75, right? Multiplied by 100. So this comes to 33.33% of cost. Clear? So this is the way how to calculate the profit as a percentage of cost and as a percentage of sales. So you need to be very careful in the examination. It is very important to read the question very carefully, right? Because these are the small areas which we often miss out in the examination and where we lose our marks, right? So with this, we are done with the question of job costing. Now in the next lecture, we'll take up the question of process costing. Simple questions, sir. All the questions are very simple, so nothing to worry about it, right? And nothing to worry about the exams also. Just continue with your studies, and most importantly, just take a good care of your health, right? Stay inside your home until and unless it is very important, and encourage others also to follow the proper COVID safety norms, right? So that's all for this lecture, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you so much.